What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick review of Catalyst Influence Case for iPhone 15 Pro. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here on the front side we got the Catalyst branding, name of the case and the model, and here the top is transparent so you can have a look on the case inside. On the back of the case you will find some of the highlighted features of this case. It comes in three colors. We got steel black, the sage green, and there is a clear transparent version of Catalyst Influence Case for iPhone 15 Pro as well. So here is the steel black Catalyst Influence Case for iPhone 15 Pro, and as you can see that it comes with a lanyard as well. And here once again we got some of the specification that it comes with 2.5 times more drop protection compared to the military standard, and it also enhances the audio up to 30% coming out of the speakers of iPhone 15 Pro once you use this case. So as you can see that it is a MagSafe compatible case. There is a non-MagSafe version of Catalyst Influence Case available as well, and as you can see the back of the Influence Case is opaque. It's not totally black as the name suggests. So after putting the device inside, the back of the iPhone 15 Pro and the color variant will be still visible. And here we go. So once the device is inside the case, you can feel how solid the Catalyst Influence Case is. It comes with 1.5 mm raised edges for the front side to provide the protection to the display if you drop it. On the right side we got this Catalyst branding, the power button. On the left we got volume buttons and open space for the action button to quickly access it, and you can see it's working pretty fine. At the bottom we got the cutouts for the microphone as well as the USB Type-C port, and here you can see how much depth we are getting for the USB Type-C port. So the thickness of the bottom or the edges of Catalyst Influence Case is quite high, and because of that if you drop the device you will get nice cushioning effect and it will protect your iPhone 15 Pro from any damage. It also comes with these slots here for the audio coming out of the speaker of iPhone 15 Pro. Because of these two special slots, the audio increases in loudness and it also reduces the ambient noise while you're making voice calls. On the back, the camera module is also protected by the raised edges, and just like the front, we got 1.5 mm raised edges around the camera module to protect it. Because of the opaque back, the back panel of your device will be clearly visible along with the Apple branding, and on the back you can see that we got 4 slots for different attachments, including one that you can use to connect the lanyard we got with our Catalyst Influence Case. And as you can see, it is fully MagSafe compatible. So you can connect various MagSafe accessories with your iPhone 15 Pro while using the Catalyst Influence Case without facing any issue. The edges of the Catalyst Influence Case come with the micro texture, and because of the matte finished body, it provides very nice grip while holding the device in hand. The buttons are also very clicky and provide a nice tactile experience while pressing them. So if you're planning to buy a case for your iPhone 15 Pro, then the Catalyst Influence is a very nice option for you for sure, as it comes with solid drop protection, increased audio output and noise cancellation for the voice calls, a lanyard in the retail box and multiple slots for the attachments while still providing a slick and slim design. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.